Let's automate everything using Claude AI. With just one click, entire raw Excel data becomes clean and perfectly formatted. And another click, all your pivot tables are ready. One final click, your full dashboard is built. Sounds crazy, right? You can actually save 7 to 8 hours of work, and can do this in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. Here's the data we're starting with. As you can see, it's not structured properly. It's messy, unstructured, no proper format. Normally fixing this would take a lot of time, right? But today we're doing it in seconds. Now comes the real magic. Open your browser and search for Claude AI. Log in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, copy the first prompt given in the description and paste it into Claude. In few seconds, it will generate the complete VBA code for you. Just download or copy that code. This is where the real magic starts. Now go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Click Insert. Then select Module. Rename the module as Clean Data Format. Paste your VBA code and close the editor. Now, we've created a button using shapes. Now let's assign a macro to it so we can automate the entire process. Right-click on this button and click Assign Macro. Select Clean and Format Data and click OK. Now watch this carefully. When I click this button, message appears. Data cleaned and formatted successfully. With just one click, 7 important actions happen automatically. If you had to do all this manually, how much time would it take? This is next level Excel. Now let's move to pivot tables. Normally creating multiple pivot tables takes a lot of manual effort, but here we'll automate it the same way. Now copy the second prompt in description and paste it into Claude AI. Claude AI will generate the pivot table VBA code. Download the code and copy it. Now go back to Excel. Go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Click Insert. Then select Module. Rename the module to Pivot. Paste your VBA code and close the editor. Again, right-click the button. Select Assign Macro. Choose Create Pivot Sheet. And click OK. Now click the Pivot button. In just a few seconds, all pivot tables will be created automatically. You'll see pivot tables generated one by one. If you do this manually, it will take a lot of time, but by using this method, everything is done in just a few seconds. Try it yourself at home and experience the magic in just one click. Now comes the final step, dashboard creation. Copy the third prompt and paste it into Claude AI. Then press Enter. It will generate the VBA code to create charts and dashboard visuals. Download the code and copy it. Now go back to Excel. Go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Click Insert. Then select Module. Rename the module to Dashboard. Paste your VBA code and close the editor. Now right-click your button and select Assign Macro. Choose Build Dashboard and click OK. Now click the button. Now look at the final output. You can see the filters too. Wow! Amazing! Just imagine how much manual work this would normally take. Let's check out another way of creating dashboard with Claude AI. Without any coding knowledge, you just feed the data, give a single prompt and you get the output. Clean, simple, easy. Claude is best as compared to GPTs, which is moving right now. But I want you to see, in just few minutes, how to create a dashboard. The very first thing what we can do here is, I have this Claude AI open. We can use a free version of Claude to get the output here. We will be uploading the data. I have a data set kept into one of the folder. Just click on this plus symbol here to add files or photos. And I have a data kept into one of the folder which I can pick up. This is a simple data set that is about the customer's sales and profit information. But just remember, a prompt has to be given. But I don't know how to write a prompt. So I will ask Claude to write a prompt for me. I will copy that prompt and again give it to this Claude to create a dashboard. So, I can just press Windows H from my keyboard and say, observe the data given in the Excel file. Understand about this place and I want you to write a prompt. You have to behave like a best expert into prompt writing. You have to behave like you are in the top 0.001% expert in the world who knows how to write a prompt. Also, who knows how to create a dashboard. So, first I want to write a prompt. This data is about sales and profit information. Okay, customer information. I want to create a dashboard for my CEO and CFO of the company. This is for one of the company, let's say Bajaj. And the dashboard has to be simple, easy to understand. It has to have at least 10 plus visuals, 10 plus charts. Okay, it has to be interactive with lot of slicers and filters. And also it should give us insights about the data. So first of all you write a prompt for me. And once finished, I can press enter. Now, Claude will understand the data, observe it, and then it will start giving me a prompt. Now this prompt which I get as an output will be an input again to the same Claude. Because if I simply give it, it will just create a dashboard and may not show enough details. Okay. Finally, it has given me a prompt. I need to copy this and then I'll just feed the same prompt again back into this Claude. Copy the prompt. We can just create a new chat over here. Paste this particular prompt again, add the data. And then once this prompt is pasted here. So make sure you read that prompt before you give the input here. Now what will happen is, within 4-5 minutes, this will create a beautiful dashboard. So let's wait for finishing this dashboard creation process. And finally, it has created dashboard. I think this is very interesting dashboard. In order to see it completely, I can just click on download. And once the link is downloaded, I can just click on this HTML link. Now this HTML link, I can open this and I can send it to anyone who's watching this video. So this is the HTML report which is prepared. And you can see all the values are given here. Revenue, profit, profit margin, total orders, unique customers. The better the prompt you give it, the better output you can get. These are some slices over here. Now let's say, if I don't like this one, if I want to change something, I can just give a simple prompt over here and automatically this dashboard will be updated. Let's say the line chart is not good. You just write a prompt and the line chart will automatically change. So that's all about the Claude AI with free version. If you like the video, do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.